You can see here we have CIARRA. This is cooker hood. You see energy is A in this case. And you see the machine. Some information is written. Lovely looking box. Model number, other thing is written. Color black. Voltage 220. Light power 2x1 W watt. After the rate input power 72 watt. And all other information. CIARRA made in China. This part is the same, the information, and this part more thing is written. So without any further ado, let's go to the unboxing. Let's see what we have inside. We open here. Let's see more close. We have some paperwork here. How to assemble, or how many things we have inside. Tons of things. After that, QR code. Huge paper with much information. Huge paper. So whatever, if you have time, check. You can scan the code. If you want to know more things, I put one side. More things. Is the coil, if I'm not wrong, if they say, of carbon, I don't know how to call this one. If you don't have a chimney, this will exhaust all the fume, smoke, all that inside. They send you 2 pieces of this. Yeah, more stuff. You see this stuff to assemble in the wall. More things. A manual. So this is important. A set of screws to put into the wall to assemble this one. A catalog, a manual, QR code if you want to know how to assemble and all the things. Good. One side. I don't know why it will put these rings. We'll find out with time. Yeah, we go. You have 2 or 3 till your roof. It will go. It has a lovely whole design here. So one I put here. Much modern design here. You have this one is a glass. You see here, you have light leads to bottom parts. Nothing special. If you pull this up, it will take all your heat. CIARRA is written. The top part, you have to read the instruction. I'm not expert on this. I will find out how I can assemble, what I have to do. So this is unboxing of CIARRA cooking hood. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye bye.